What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a car video for you. Today's actually Halloween, but I just got a diffuser for my car. I got scammed, but I found someone local who goes to my school, and he was able to give me the diffuser that he has, which is the one I've been wanting, but some guy scammed me before. But I got my money back finally. Took a while, but I finally got situated. So I'm gonna fit this real quick. But basically what I have now are 3D printed fins that I designed, and it's kind of like the I don't even know how you say it, like it's a carbon fiber company, Cybon, whatever. It kind of looks like their diffuser or the Stillin diffusers. I'll put pictures up right here, but I didn't even know that it was that similar until I started looking at diffusers. But I'm gonna have to take these off right now because I just got the new diffuser here, and this is it. So what I'm planning on doing is getting like some sort of red I want reflective tape, because that's what Camaro ZLS uses on his Camaro. And now I got weird paint on me. Anyway, I should go change because this is my Halloween costume. I don't want to get dirty. But basically, I want to put red around the trim. So yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna time lapse what I'm doing right now because I just need to save some footage and stuff. But let's see. DIY tripod. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so I just had to go to the store real quick. I'm running out of double-sided tape, but I got heavy duty, extremely strong this time. The other one only holds up to 15 pounds. This thing's only 10 pounds anyway, but you know, we're gonna be going like 60 on the highway, so you need that extra strength. So I picked some of this up real quick, and yeah, let's get back to it. Alright guys, so I have it done for now. I have to go to a car show real quick, but this is as far as I could get. There's a little bit of gap here, but I'll fix that later. And also here too, but it looks like it can be really easily fixed. I did have to take off my tips because it was rubbing right here, and I read that it would warp your diffuser. But I'm gonna get a muffler delete anyway soon, so I'll have exhaust tips that fit nice and neat in here. So yeah, doesn't really look that good without the tips, but this is how I have to have it. I mean, it looks good for now. So probably the next thing I have to do is a muffler delete, because that'll make the tips line up perfectly. So yeah, but I have to go, so see ya. Peace.